Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Dell 32GB DDR4 UTA memory upgrade, specifically model S&P 732YDC32G. If you're looking to breathe new life into your Dell desktop, or simply want to enhance its performance, this could be an excellent option. This memory module boasts a capacity of 32GB, which is a significant upgrade for most users. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who juggles multiple applications simultaneously, 32GB of RAM provides ample headroom for smooth multitasking and reduced lag. The memory operates at a speed of 3,200 MHz, a sweet spot for DDR4 memory. This speed ensures quick data transfer rates, leading to faster loading times, snappier application responsiveness, and an overall more fluid computing experience. The 3,200 MHz speed is also compatible with a wide range of Dell desktop systems, making it a versatile upgrade choice. Being a Dell-branded product, compatibility is virtually guaranteed with Dell desktops that support DDR4 UTA memory. This eliminates the guesswork and potential headaches associated with third-party memory modules. You can rest assured that this memory will work seamlessly with your Dell system. The module is a 2RX8 configuration, which refers to its dual-rank design. Dual-rank memory can sometimes offer a slight performance advantage over single-rank modules, as it allows the memory controller to access data from two different memory banks simultaneously. Installation is generally straightforward, especially for those familiar with desktop hardware. Simply power down your system, open the case, locate the memory slots, and carefully insert the module. Dell also provides clear instructions and support resources if needed. In terms of performance gains, users can expect to see improvements in various areas. Boot times should be faster, applications will launch more quickly, and multitasking will be significantly smoother. Gamers will appreciate reduced stuttering and improved frame rates, while content creators will benefit from faster rendering and processing times. Overall, the Dell 32GB DDR4 UTA memory upgrade is a solid choice for anyone looking to boost the performance of their Dell desktop. Its ample capacity, fast speed, guaranteed compatibility, and ease of installation make it a worthwhile investment. If your system is feeling sluggish or struggling to keep up with your demands, this memory upgrade could be just what you need.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.